Today marks 6 months since the tragedy that really changed Delphi forever. 2 young girls, Libby German and Abby Williams, were found murdered.
Yeah, today our Emily Longnecker spent the day with their families talking about the progress being made in this investigation.
Well, Andrea and Scott, everywhere you look in downtown Delphi, there are reminders of Libby German and Abby Williams, like these ribbons made out of the girls' favorite colors. An open investigation command center here downtown is another reminder. This one, though, that the girls' killer is still out there. It keeps Mike Patty up at night.
Yeah, I don't sleep much.
Knowing the man in this sketch, the one investigators believe killed Patty's granddaughter Libby German and Abby Williams, is walking the streets.
So we have a murderer walking around who took 2 innocent lives well before their time. You know what I mean? He robbed them of their life.
More than 24,000 tips have come into investigators since the girls disappeared. Their bodies found in the woods east of Delphi the next day on Valentine's Day.
But I'm telling you, every day is tough if it doesn't get tougher.
In the early weeks of the investigation, police released a picture of the man believed to be the killer, taken on Libby's cell phone the day the girls disappeared, and this audio believed to be the killer's voice.
Somebody knows this person.
6 months later, though, a painful anniversary has arrived with still no answers.
My heart's still breaking.
Abby Williams' mom, Anna, prays it won't be much longer.
I'd like to be able to have a little bit of happiness come Christmas time this year, knowing that nobody else is ever going to have to go through what we went through, and that this person isn't still out there.
Williams spent yesterday marking the 6-month anniversary of the girls' disappearance by visiting all of Abby's favorite fishing spots.
Yesterday was worse than today, but I kept off social media and stayed to myself and stayed quiet, and some days you just have to do that.
Still, these families have not given up hope. They can't.
We're staying positive and we keep moving.
And last week the kids here in Delphi started school, and both families say that that was a tough day for them, thinking that Libby and Abby should be there too, but weren't. Andrea?
Our thoughts and prayers continue with that family and the entire community of Delphi. Emily, thank you. And if you know anything that could help solve the murders of Libby and Abby, police really want to hear from you. You can call the tip line anonymously. Their number is there on your screen, 844-459-5786. We have that number posted along with the tip email address. Just go to our website at WTHR.com as well as our WTHR app.
IMPD